Madsense. Tired of hustling? Forget about working. Activate profit sites instantly in one click that generate us passive income 24/7/365 even while we're sleeping. Fueled with free traffic 24/7 and easy one-click monetization. Hands-free 100% beginner-friendly 30-day money-back guarantee. How to profit with Madsense Profits in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose a topic or niche. Step 2, activate the automated profit sites. Step 3, monetize with Adsense in just one click. The unbreakable money maker that's been quietly creating millionaires for over 20 years. Started as an accident. The first people to make serious money online hardly saw it coming. Early internet users, just sharing interesting content, were getting so much traffic that companies came to them, offering to pay to advertise on their sites. It started as an experiment. No one expected much. It worked so well that content sites became an amazing way to bank hands-free cash from multiple sources. This has continued for over 2 decades, and now, content is still king and Madsense Profits is the first natural robot writer for Adsense. Why unsexy translates into sky-high profits. These days, marketers are chasing video, e-commerce, chatbots, and AI everything. No one's talking about content sites, because they used to be a pain in the ass. Which suits us just fine. Less competition makes for much higher profit potential. And if you're wondering, can I really make $350 per day from content sites? Actually, you can make way more. What if you could make money without writing a single word, and automate everything? Lifestyle blog. Earnings, $41,000 per month. Recipe blog. Earnings, $46,000 per month. Budgeting and parenting blog. Earnings, $86,000 per month. Car buying blog. Earnings, $125,000 per month. Family lifestyle/travel blog. Earnings, $170,000 per month. The unbreakable money maker that's been quietly making $492,000, $1,032,000, $2,040,000 in passive income every year, in practically any niche you can imagine. Let that sink in. Obscene amounts of money being made from personal interests and hobbies. It's the definition of getting paid doing what you love. But until now, running a website wasn't easy. There's the initial time-consuming, expensive setup. Hosting, domains and softwares cost $100s just to get started. Then spend at least a month customizing layouts and learning page builders. So-called auto-blogging softwares aren't much help. All they do is help you find and post related content. But the time, dollar and setup is all on you. Then there's never-ending content creation. You don't have a blog without content, so be prepared to spend hours each day writing, or pay big money to outsource. And don't count on existing content spinners to repurpose articles made by others. The results are usually so bad you're better off without them. And constantly struggling for traffic. The best blog on the planet won't make you money without traffic. Paying for ads is a great way to go broke, so that leaves Google and social media. Which means constantly creating, posting, and sharing unique content. Okay, if you want blogging to be your full-time job. Not if you want to have a life. Forget that. Madsense Profits automates everything so you can make passive profits in any niche. Without wasting time, you won't need to spend any time on blog setup or writing content, it's all DIY. Wasting money, no paying for domains, hosting or softwares, it's all included. Wasting results, with Madsense Profits, you can finally have something real in as little as 48 hours or less. The proven power of daily side profits. Made easy. Automated setup. Automated original content. Passive monetization. Winning formula that keeps on working. For more information, go to the link it's written below description with this video. Thank you.